너랑 다닐라 주인빛 음악 주인나
Today is the ending of the old new year, and we have a few people who are coming into the Tibetan executive members. New guys are coming in, all the guys are moving away. Let's give them a big clap for the new 6 executive members of Tibetan Association of Alberta. All right? And I would like to say that everybody is so important to this community. We want everybody's share. We want everybody's energy to make this community more powerful and more energetic. Okay? All right, I have 60 seconds to go. Come on, boys and gentlemen. Are you guys ready? Where is your champagne? Are you guys have a champagne in your hand? You guys have a champagne in your hands? All right, I'm really excited for the new 2025. All right, my boys, my friends and families. Where are my other friends? Where's my cook? Where are my cook? Who made all this chapale for whole this morning up till today? Agulopsame chapale, nice. And Teba and Mr. Pasirila and Mr. Jordan, thank you. Give them a nice clap. They made a beautiful chapale. Okay, I'm gonna stand on the counter. 10, 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, Happy New Year!
잠소니가 니 뒤지제 힘간 라파 내는 질투만 히든 라파 la ke na nam ke la munda la nam ke la munda la puchung la nga yi se ba ke la sho se sim lan ju wat ne na mi ti nyam chu shi chu la ni shi chu la ni shi chu ở bên phía nhắm cho当这我累完的家要没路，人大的家没路，学人错完都赢路，大的从平常感觉有这样就样领路。